Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone not connecting to hotel Wi-Fi. If you're using any iPhone and your iPhone is not connecting to any Wi-Fi, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to simply open up your settings. In settings, move to Wi-Fi. Once you have good Wi-Fi, you will get if your Wi-Fi is connecting or not. You can see there's a Wi-Fi connected, but with the weak security. So let's see how can you fix that issue. The first way is that you have to turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it back on again. It will make a quick refresh to your Wi-Fi settings, but if you are still having the same issue, so you have to scroll down your quick settings and you will get a setting like airplane mode here. So you must have to enable that settings. Once you have enabled, briefly wait for almost 5 to 10 seconds, then disable that. It will make a quick refresh into all of your internet settings. Once you have that, simply tap on this info icon and here select the forget this network. Then tap on forget. It will delete the password of the saved network. Once you have deleted the password, you have to re-enter the password to connect with. And once you have re-entered the password, it might be the real problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, so you just have to make a force restart your phone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until your screen goes fully black. So let's try this. Quickly press and release your volume up, volume down, and then press and hold your power button until your screen goes fully black. It will take a while, so you must have to wait for that. And once you have black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release your button and wait for your phone restarting. Once your phone has been restarted, so your problem will be almost fixed. But if you are still having the same issue, you have to check for your software updates. So let's see how can you check for your software updates. Here you must have to unlock your phone by entering your passcode. Once you have entered your passcode, open up your settings, then scroll down and go for general, then go for software update, and here you have to make sure that your phone haven't any pending system update. But if there is you have any update here, you must have to download and install that update, and after that your all problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix if your iPhone is not connecting to any Wi-Fi. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.